In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link FTMO to MT5. Linking your FTMO account to MetaTrader 5 is essentially just logging in with the correct server and credentials. There isn't a separate link button, so the key is using the exact details provided by FTMO. First, head to your FTMO client area and open the account overview. There, you'll find three critical pieces of information: your login ID, your master password, and the server name assigned to your account. You must have all three, exactly as shown. Without them, MT5 won't connect. Take a moment to copy them carefully, avoid extra spaces, and keep them secure. The server name must match precisely, and passwords are case-sensitive. Now, let's connect in MT5. If your FTMO server is visible, use the fastest method. Open MT5, go to the File menu, and choose Login to Trade Account. In the Login window, enter your login ID, paste your master password, and select the correct FTMO server from the list. Double-check that the server matches what's in your FTMO client area, then click OK. If everything is correct, MT5 should connect within a few seconds. If you don't see the FTMO server in the list, use the alternative method. In MT5, click File, then open an account. In the search bar, type FTMO and click Find Your Company. When the results appear, select the FTMO server that matches the one listed in your FTMO client area. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to enter your login ID and master password. Confirm those details, then click Finish. If the server doesn't appear right away, search again. It can take a few tries for it to populate. Also, make sure you're choosing the exact server that corresponds to your specific FTMO account type. To confirm that you're connected, look at the bottom right corner of MT5. You should see green connection bars, which indicate an active connection. Your charts should begin moving with live price data, and you'll be able to place trades. If the bars stay red or gray, or prices aren't updating, it usually means the login, password, or server name has a typo. Re-enter the details carefully, ensure you've selected the correct server, and try again. That's it. Retrieve the correct login, password, and server from your FTMO client area. Sign in through MT5 using either the standard login or the server search, and confirm with the connection bars and moving charts. Follow these steps, and you'll be ready to trade on MT5 with your FTMO account.